To number items as a list, select the paragraphs to be included in the list. In this case, because the items are already formatted as a list, you can change the bullets to numbers. Select one of the list items and click on the Single Level List command. The default numbering type will be applied to all matching items in the current list. The sub-bullets that were created earlier are not part of the simple list. Click to select one of these items. Click on the List Numbers drop-down to select a number format for this set. Choose a format from the gallery. It is partitioned the same way as the bullet list, with recently used, numbering library, and document number formats appearing in their own groups. All entries in this sequence are updated with an incrementing list. Because numbered lists are designed to automatically increment, you can move text and expect the numbering to update. Follow the same steps shown in the section on bulleted lists to demote or promote a numbered list. For more videos like this, subscribe to the Savvy YouTube channel today. And if you need a complete library of training content written specifically for the legal industry, consider the Savvy Smart Content Library. Visit savvytraining.com for more information.